What are the preparation that you should take for these internships or job affairs? Can you give us any tips?
So I guess you should apply like really soon. So when I was applying, I just completed my first semester and I started. I went to my career fair. I went to a lot of places and I never stopped applying, I would say. I applied to like 500,000 companies. So apply to each and every company and get yourself validated like each and every time. So I got my resume validated through the HRs. I got my resume validated through the professor, through my career center, through my friends. So I got it validated and all the tips I incorporate, like not all the tips, but whatever you feel, right? Like, okay, this doesn't make sense. So you incorporate everything in your resume. So resume is your first step. Your resume should always be one page, not more than that. We always feel like there are a lot of things that we should add to it. No, they don't get time to read a resume. It should only be one page. Apply to a lot of companies. Don't think that it doesn't make sense to apply to this company or let me get a reference or something. Just apply to it. Like if you're getting reference like really soon, then okay. Otherwise, just apply. So when I applied to a lot of companies and I took a referral only for Amazon, which I didn't get an interview for. But all the other in which I got interviewed for, I didn't took a reference, and it was a pleasant experience. Like I have interviewed for Microsoft, Tesla, Micron, Itron, Miso Robotics, in which I'm working currently. So there were like 13 to 14 companies I went to almost final round for.
Also, interviewing actually gives you a lot of exposure. So even if you're thinking like you shouldn't apply or you shouldn't go for this,
Yeah,
at least give apply and give some interviews. You'll know how this area
yeah.
is
I mean,
going on.
yeah. So here, like accent is also very different, right? If you are like applying and the job is not your preferred one, or the location is not your preferred one, but at least you get to interact with the HR. You try to understand how things work here. How does the screening round takes place, or are you able to understand the accent of people? So this helps you in a lot of things, maybe not a job, but a lot of things in feeling comfortable. Okay, I have given one interview now. The second interview, I'll be much more confident and comfortable.
Mm.